Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. In this video I'm going to show you what are the ways you can configure a manage bean in a JSF project. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to create a new JSF project quickly and just give the name as managed bean testing and just click next and let the server be Tomcat the default and click next. And the framework I'm selecting Java Surfaces and just click finish. Okay, now let me open my source packages. So in my web pages there is an index.xhtml. Now in the source packages I am going to create a new package. Okay, I have created a new package and now I'm going to create a new JSF manage bean. For that just click new and select JSF manage bean. So I'm writing it as the name as hello world. It all these be default. I'm just clicking finish. Okay, we have created a JSF managed bean, and the first way of creating configuring a managed bean is giving an annotation named @managed bean in the top section of your class. So basically this is a normal Java class. Now we are telling Hibernate that this is a managed bean, and the first way as I told is by setting annotation in the header, and we are setting request scope, telling just of that this manage bean is request scope. So this is the first way, and now I'm going to show the second way also. Before I have created a private string variable name, and I have created the getters and setters for that, and in index page I have created a small form and a text box with indent name, and the value has value as the hello world dot name from here, and I'm giving command button. So I'll be creating one more JSF page as uh, welcome just welcome and just click to finish. Now I'm writing a code to receive that variable. No, so it's from hello world dot name. So if I'm submitting this command button to it, I'm getting a value submit, and the action as welcome. Okay, let's run this and check how this works. Let me add a breakpoint here. So for running, just click on index and just select run. So it will take some time for the first run. Okay, the project has run. Now if I give a value here and just submit, it will show the hello Gino is from the welcome page. Hello Gino. Now we have seen in this project we have annotated this Java class with @managed_bean. So this is the first way we can say JSF this is managed bean. Now we are going to check the next way how we can do it. So for that I'm going to create a have to create a faces config file of JSF. So I'm searching faces. Yes, we have got the faces configuration. Just click next and just click finish. Okay, our faces config file has been generated. Now inside this we have to write the configuration code to tell JSF that we want to use this as manage bean. So for that, inside that I'm going to write a tag here, manage bean, and closing that tag. Now inside this manage bean, again one more tag is managed bean name, name, and next will be manage bean class, manage bean class, and the next annotation, sorry, the next tag we have to give is manage bean scope. Okay, now here I'm going to set the manage bean name as the hello world, so I'm copying that to here, and I want to give the path of that. Our path of our hello world Java is this one. Give hello world here also, dot hello world, and now the scope is request. So we have set the hello the configuration here, telling JSF that this is also this is a managed bean. Now we don't want these annotations here. Let me delete all these, but yes, we need some. Okay, so we are all set again. Now let's run this program again and see. Yes, the program has run again. Now let me give another word here and submit. Yes, it's a error coming. Let's see. It's giving an error. Yes, it is, the error is because in the index page it is hello world in small letter, but it should be in the same name here. Let's see. And in here also same name we need. Going back here, let's refresh. Again I'm giving a word, submit now. Yes, the program worked correctly, so we check the second way also. Now there is one more method. If there is more JSF manage bean, you can configure all these manage bean here itself, or you can create one more XML file with these manage bean data in there. Let's try that also. The faces config XML is actually used for application level configuration, like the navigation rules and the forwarding rules, like that. So if you are having a lot of managed bean, you should use another XML. The name of the XML is managed XML. So write all the managed bean information in that XML, and write a small configuration context param in web XML. I'll show you that. For that I'm just copying this one and pasting it, and just making a copy, and uh, renaming this as managed bean. Okay, I have renamed it as managed bean XML. Now let me remove this configuration from this faces config XML. Now inside the manage bean XML, the manage bean information is that if you have more manage bean, you can just write down all the things here, all the configuration here. I can leave the faces configuration for the application level configuration. Now in the web XML, we have to tell in the JSF the manage bean configurations are in this XML. For that, have to copy a context param, configure a context param here, this one java spaces config file, and it is in manage bean XML, web-inf manage bean XML. Now let's you're all set to run the project. Let's run this and see. The project has run. Now let me give anything here, any string here, testing gnu java I'm giving. Let's submit it. Let's see. No, there is some error showing. Let's go back. Mm, yes, this is managed beans XML. I have given is managed bean. It is more here. Let me remove it. Now save it. Yes, I have saved it. Let redeploy our project. Wait for that. Going back. Let me refresh it. No, it's not working. Wait, let me run it again. Okay, we have run it. Let's try again. Hello testing. Submit. Yes, it's successful. Now the three methods we have completed successful. How we can configure manage win, as I told, the first method is by annotating here in hello world Java. Now we have removed in the second step. We have just added the bean information in faces config, and the third way is adding a new another XML manage beans.xml, and just give a context param saying the config files are there configured. So that's all for now, and if you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks for watching.